Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open the SWIGGY app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have the app, download it from your phone's app store first. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon, which is usually in the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your account settings where all your personal information and order history is stored. Step 3. Look for the Account or Profile section and scroll down until you find Order History or My Orders. This is where SWIGGY displays all your past food and delivery orders. Step 4. Find the specific order you want to delete from the list. You can scroll through your order history to locate it. Once you find it, tap on that order to open its details page. Step 5. Look for a menu icon, usually 3 dots or a trash icon, near the top or bottom of the order details. Tap this icon and select Delete Order or Remove from History. Confirm the deletion when prompted, and the order will be permanently removed from your history. That's it, you've successfully deleted your order from SWIGGY.